See, I just had enough room to get the second wire and plug into the hard drive. Yeah, there's Linux Lite. Now I'll just push enter on the keyboard. Install Linux Lite. This is for advanced users. You don't want to install this directly over your Windows system because it will delete your Windows system. Okay, I'm going for English. I'm gonna third party for graphics and Wi-Fi. This software is okay. I've got the graphics card, but I don't have Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll just continue it. Erase disk and install Linux Lite. This will delete all programs, documents, photos, music, any files, and other operating systems. And since I don't have another operating system on that spare disk, I will choose this one here. Delete it once you push install. But once again, I don't have an operating system on my hard drive. See, it's giving you another chance here. If you continue, warning, this will destroy all data on any partition of the hard drive that you have. Okay, continue. I don't think it knows where I am. Okay, there it does. I clicked it. Use Linux Lite. 1, 2, 3. Very simple. 1, 2, 3. There, it's copying files to the to the hard drive. Skip this. See. Oh yeah. Okay. See right down there. It's showing you what it's doing. Okay. Continue testing. Now you restart it, and you can unplug your USB out of your computer, which I got the USB stick, so now it will boot from your hard drive.